So hi guys, my name is Asha Sudrave. Today I'm here to share a small incident which I saw today morning. So morning I went to Ratnadeep to buy some fruits. So there was one lady who bought some like goods and she came to a billing counter. And that person who is billing, he asked her one question, ma'am, do you need cover? And that lady responded like exactly in Telugu, లేకపోతే నా చీర తీసుకోవాలనా, like or else do you want me to take that fruits in my saree or what? हाँ नहीं तो मेरी साड़ी में लेके जाऊँ क्या मैं सब सामान? Like what do you get by responding like that? You can say either yes or no. Simple. There's nothing a big issue. They are not forcing you, ma'am. Take cover, take cover. They are not forcing you, right? So, whenever I see some kids playing here and there, so some elder person will tell them, "Ki go slowly. Bikes are coming, rides are coming," and you know how that kid will like 8 years or 9 years, and then he'll say, "My wish." 8 or 9 year kids are not listening to us right now. They are they are responding rude, and that lady who like comment like gave rude answer to that person, he might be at least 20 22 at least 20 22. So he can also give you reverse answer, but that was a situation where he cannot give you he cannot react there. He can just simply stay back and say okay ma'am, and he will give you whatever you want and he'll go. So just because you have power, don't be a reason for someone's sadness. You don't want to become a reason for someone's happiness, don't be for even sadness. Just go from that place. Either stay polite, that's it. See, nowadays everyone are facing with so many issues in their life, either financial, mentally, health wise. Everyone are facing some or the other trauma in their life. Outside they might look like they are very happy because they have to look like that. No, what choice we have? Like everyone are trying to be look happy, but they are not happy in this era. You know that situations are like that. Just because you have power and you are talking to someone like that, if that person is like very chill type, then he will just listen, he will just go away and he might not feel bad. But if someone like very sensitive person, she or he will they will rethink and they will feel bad. Array, why I'm doing this job where people have to talk to me like this? Why I didn't study well? I would have get some good job. I didn't had a chance to listen of these stupid people talking me like that. Either maybe he or she might be studying but they are doing part time because of the financial situations. There might be a variety of situations they are facing, but don't be a reason of don't be a reason of someone's sadness. Please be polite, please be kind. If you're not able to give someone happiness, someone happiness is a very big thing. Okay, if you're not able to give a smile to some person, don't give a reason to be sad. Okay. Bye.